Hey you guys, it's me, Nephi, coming to you again to do my McCall sewing plans for this week. I don't know why I said McCall. It just happens that all of the patterns that I cut out today are McCall's. So the first thing I want to say is that what I'm doing this year differently with my sewing is I'm using a planner. Bam. Yes, a planner. Can you guys see that? 2018 is a good year to have a good year. So I'm planning to have a good year this year in sewing. Because I'll get to sew more because I'm planning more. He who fails to plan plans to fail. Okay? So, yes, I'm using a planner, and what I have deemed Sundays after church to be is my cut day. And so today I've cut out 3 patterns. And those 3 patterns are, I cut out McCall 7055, and I'm going to be doing view B, which the model is wearing there. That's a pretty easy sew. It's already cut out. As I said, I've already cut it out, and I'm ready to go. Hopefully I'll get 2 done this week. The other one is McCall 7687. Now, before I show you this one here is not necessarily a pattern I would have picked for myself. Not that anything is wrong with it. I'm doing this for a sewing challenge, and we have until the end of February to complete it. But I didn't want to wait to cut it out. I do want to go ahead and get it cut out since I was cutting today. I was feeling like I had a lot of energy to cut. So I cut the pattern out. But again, this is the one, and I talked about this in my McCall haul, pattern haul. So this is here. I've cut this all out. Likely I'm going to be doing the one right down there at the bottom, view F. Again, this will be a giveaway because this is not even my size. I'm just doing it for that pattern, the sewing challenge that I'm in. Now this pattern here, this is really what I set out to do this week because I like this. I haven't done it yet, and I want to wear it to church on Sunday. So this is McCall 7186. And I'm cutting out, I'm going to be sewing view B, which the model is wearing. And I'll be doing that. Originally, I thought I had the fabric I was going to do, but I realized I didn't have enough. So I'm changing the fabric. Now, I'll also be doing A at some point because I think that'll be good for the summer as well. But I think this is going to be an actual go-to pattern because it looks really easy and very comfortable. And I am all about being comfortable, you guys. So those are the 3 patterns that I have planned for this week. And not necessarily all of them because one of them I have until the end of the month to do. But I will be getting to all of those. And so my plans are to... So at least maybe at a minimum 1 pattern a week. That is my goal, you guys, for this year. That's a whole lot of sewing. But I think I'm up for it and I can do it. But, you know, if I could sew every day, I would sew every day, all day. But I can't because somebody got to pay for these patterns and this fabric. So, nonetheless, sewing is something I do for me. So I try to get it in as much as I can. I will post my reviews about these patterns as soon as possible. Well, we know that one of them probably won't be until close to the end of the month or whenever I finish that shirt. I'll post a review on that. The other one, the dress, we may get a review on that on Sunday or early next week. I haven't really figured out how I'm going to do my reviews and my recordings yet. Because this stuff takes a lot of time. So I will figure that out. But you may have a review on the dress. And you probably will have photos. It's by Sunday or next week. When I can get them uploaded. I'll probably take them on Sunday since I'll be wearing it on Sunday. Or maybe I'll just take them on the dress form. But nonetheless, those are my pattern reviews. You guys, I am so tired. I think I have done a couple of recordings. I have attempted several and trying to getting the lighting right because I move my camera around, and once I get the lighting right, then I move it and I can't get it right the next time. And so I am learning lessons, needless to say. But you guys, I'm going to be posting all of my social media information below. I'm sure you guys heard me say it one time or many times. But I'm going to be posting that information below. You guys follow me on there, on my social media outlets, and come on over to my Facebook group and join. It is where we learn to sow, we learn to grow, we learn to encourage one another, you guys. And the sewing community can be a rather, if you don't have a community, it can be lonely. And lonely in the sense is that you don't need anyone else to sew, but you do need someone to encourage you and someone to challenge you. So if that's what you're looking for, I invite you to my sewing page, and that is Sewing with So Fabulous Nephi over on the Facebook outlet. Please come over there, and even if you know how to sew, come on over. You can help give advice to other people. That's what it's about. It's a community where we just give advice and encourage one another, okay? And if you like these videos, hit the like button, thumbs up, and subscribe. I appreciate your likes. I appreciate your subscriptions. I really appreciate them. And again, if you follow me on any of my social media pages, I will be certain to follow you back. Okay? Thank you, and have a wonderful day. Bye.